In this video, I'll show you how to mark a listing as sold on Facebook Marketplace. This video is going to be particularly useful for anyone who has sold something outside of Facebook and wants to make sure their listing is updated as sold on Marketplace. So how do you actually go ahead and mark it as sold? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There aren't going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing you want to do is open the Facebook app and then click on Marketplace. If you don't see Marketplace on the bottom left-hand side, you can also click on Menu on the bottom right-hand side and then select Marketplace from there. Both will take you to the same area. Once you're in Marketplace, click on Sell in the upper left-hand corner. Then, go to Your Listings. On the top of this page, you'll see all the listings you currently have on Facebook Marketplace. Click on the item you want to mark as sold. For example, let's say it's a card binder for trading cards. Once you open it, you'll see a button that says Mark as Sold. Click on that, and it will remove the listing from active listings since it's now officially marked as sold. And that right there, guys, is the easiest way I know of to mark a product as sold on Facebook Marketplace.